Alright then, so let's remember, we've got our images on our website, but we are not entirely happy with the size of the image. So I'm going to show you how you can modify the size of the image using width and height attributes. We can also use a style attribute, and I'm going to show you both ways, and then you can decide which way you prefer. First of all, we need to know the size of the image. If we go back to where we saved the image, and we right click and choose Properties, and then across the top select Details. It actually tells us the dimensions, the width and the height, 640 pixels. So if we want this picture to be half the size, that's just half both of those numbers. That's 320 pixels wide, 320 pixels high. Let's go to our code. And in our image art at the end here, we are going to go width equals 320. Should have put speech marks. There we go. And height equals 320. Okay. Let's just save that and refresh the page. There we go. Image is a little bit more under control. Now, let's deal with this banner across the top. How wide do we think we want it? How wide is somebody's browser? Difficult to say, because what if they do this or this? Is there a way we can make this change automatically? Well, there is, because if you think about it, you want this picture to always fill the width of the page. You want the picture to be 100% the width of the page. So we can just tell it that. So up here, width equals 100%. And let's save that. Go here. And there we go. So now the picture is always 100% wide and it always fits. It's pretty cool, isn't it? Alright then. So the other way to control the size of the image is to use the style attribute. It still has height and width inside of it, but it starts with style. I'm going to show you it. What I'll do is, so that we can see a proper comparison, just highlight that section. I'm going to copy with Control and C and paste with Control and V. So I'm just going to take this bit out because this is what we're going to change. And we're going to go for style equals, and in the speech marks, width colon, and we said it was 320. And this time we have to put pixels, so px, and the height is also 320 px. And a semicolon on the end, like that. So it's not quite as easy as writing the width and the height. But it does have some other advantages that you might see later on. Let's save that, back to the website, and refresh. And you can tell exactly the same thing, and it's right next to it. Okay. So you can decide which method you prefer, just using the width and the height attributes or the style attributes. Okay, have a go with your own images. Try and control the sizes.